Welcome back to Miniature Diecast. Today, we're going to unboxing of the 2024 Hot Wheels Porsche 911 Rallye. Inspired by the iconic Dakar Rally, this model is a perfect blend of rugged performance and timeless Porsche design. Stick around as we take a closer look at every detail of this incredible car. This one is from 2024 Hot Wheels Turbo Series. Let's unbox it. Presenting the Porsche 911 Rallye, a scale model that inspired by the legendary Dakar Rally, this Hot Wheels casting is a perfect blend of rugged performance and iconic design. Let's explore what makes this miniature masterpiece a must-have for collectors. So here it is. The casting looks really nice. Hot Wheels did very fantastic job with this car. Personally, this one is one of my favorite car of 2024. Painting is decent. It looks nice with this white and blue paint job. Both sides of this car have Rough Roads Porsche badging and number 953. It does have rear view mirrors, which is really nice. In front section, we can see headlight details. Porsche logo is there. Beautiful paint job on top of front hood. Hot Wheels did great job to paint this car as original one in white and blue combination. Back of the car, no tail light details. I personally like these things on top of the roof, with essential gear strapped to its roof and rally bred toughness in its frame. Now let's have a look at its plastic-made chassis. It does have car manufacturer details. Very minimal details of exhaust pipes. As for the wheel rims, Hot Wheels stays true to the Rally aesthetic with sturdy, multi-spoke designs that exude durability and style. Nice. Wheels are rolling fantastic. And that wraps up the unboxing of the incredible Porsche 911 Rallye from Hot Wheels. A true rally beast with roof-mounted gear, rugged wheels, and unmistakable off-road attitude. If you love diecast cars as much as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome unboxings and reviews.